As an instructor, I saw individuals come into this program, now we're sending them out as a team. I do believe this program has prepared the Marshals team for the job ahead. The basic structure of the course has worked very well with positive feedback and praise from the Marshals team. What our local partners desire may be different to what we think they actually need. One thing I really like about GTCC is that we are really flexible and we're never satisfied with it just being okay.
Now we're done with the program, to be honest, it's kind of sad, but because of the things we've shared, the things we've learned, the things we went through, our struggles, our accomplishments, it just says that we're ready for the next step. We're here for a purpose. And we're channeled on it now. We're ready for it. I went to A&P school years ago. We had somewhat of this program in that school, not quite as intense as this. And the things that hands-on that I've learned, it has helped me with my confidence, has helped me with my knowledge of certain tools and how effective they are in the way that I use them.
Yeah, I definitely think this program has been a success. For me personally, it's been about adjusting how I think, my mental processes, and how I approach the aircraft maintenance. Also, in working with the other guys, the group structure has been great for us. It's allowed the 5 of us to really work together to hone our ability to communicate with one another effectively. And we bounce ideas off of each other. We work together to solve problems. It's been very, very beneficial. But the resources are here. The knowledge and the skills that these instructors want to pass along. Just bring your willingness and your interest.
And for those people coming behind me, you're going to enjoy this. I'm excited for you. I'm excited for me because we're going to do great things together. We're going to make this program global. Right here in Greensboro, North Carolina, everybody's going to want to come here. I suggest you beat them to it.
Personally, I'm looking forward to seeing where this program grows from here. I know we have commitments for next year, but GTCC are always here to support our local partners. That now includes Marshals.